Ever felt like life's critical lessons hit you a bit too late? Imagine navigating life with ancient wisdom, turning challenges into stepping stones instead of regrets. Today, we'll explore 7 powerful Stoic lessons every man should master before it's too late. These timeless insights will transform how you approach life, helping you live with intention, clarity, and purpose. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to this channel. So let us begin. Lesson 1. The power of now. Picture standing by a river, each ripple representing moments of your life, some clear, others muddled with regret or anxiety. Often, we're waist-deep, clutching at past moments or anxiously reaching for future uncertainties, neglecting the present. Marcus Aurelius likened time to a river of passing events, swift and unstoppable. While we can't control time's march, we can choose how to respond. Life's richest experiences come when we're truly present. Embrace the present, enrich your life, and create moments to treasure. Lesson 2. External validation is fleeting. In today's world, it's easy to measure our worth by others' opinions. We chase likes, recognition, or reassurance, but this pursuit is like chasing a mirage. Epictetus advised wanting events to happen as they do, not as we wish. Tying happiness to external validation surrenders our peace of mind. Social media influencers' value often ties to fickle metrics like followers and likes. Stoicism teaches us to find validation in our principles and virtues. Root yourself in enduring values like wisdom and integrity, not fleeting societal metrics. Lesson 3. Possessions don't define worth. In an age of luxury and consumerism, success is often tied to material possessions. But Stoic philosophy emphasizes true worth as internal, not tied to possessions. Marcus Aurelius said, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself." Consider 2 artists, one famous but never content, the other joyful in the creative process. Material possessions are temporary, but virtues like wisdom and compassion are treasures that never fade. Define your worth by who you are, not what you have. Lesson 4. Control versus influence. Humans naturally desire to control their lives, but Stoicism introduces a transformative idea: the difference between what we can control and what we can only influence. Epictetus put it simply: we control our reasoned choice and all acts depending on our moral will. Imagine navigating the open sea. You control your ship, but not the ocean's currents. Focus on where your influence lies to act with purpose and effectiveness. This Stoic dichotomy of control frees us from the exhausting pursuit of controlling everything. Lesson 5. Emotional mastery is strength. In many cultures, expressing emotions is seen as a sign of weakness. But Stoicism teaches that true strength lies not in suppressing emotions, but in mastering them. Seneca observed that we lack complete control over life's events, including emotions. Emotions are like powerful rivers, wild and unchecked. They can cause chaos, but with direction, they can drive us forward. Emotional mastery involves guiding emotions constructively, not denying them. Mastered emotions become powerful tools for insight, passion, and deeper connections. Lesson 6. Embracing finite time. Stoicism profoundly teaches the awareness of life's transience. While some find discussions of mortality unsettling, the Stoics saw it as a powerful motivator for purposeful living. Epictetus advised, "Don't delay in using your resources. If you do, you'll lose them." Imagine sand in an hourglass, steadily trickling away. Our time is like this sand, urging us to act, love, and make a difference. Each day presents choices. Invest in pursuits that enrich your soul or waste time on fleeting pleasures. Marcus Aurelius said, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." Embrace the finite nature of time to become wise stewards of your life. Lesson 7. Continuous self-improvement. At its core, Stoicism is a philosophy of personal growth, emphasizing the individual's capacity to grow, adapt, and improve regardless of circumstances. Zeno, the founder of Stoicism, said, "As long as you live, keep learning how to live." Personal growth is a lifelong commitment, not a finish line. Like iron subjected to hammering and heat, our minds and character, when left unattended, can stagnate. But with conscious effort and discipline, we shape ourselves into better versions. Stoicism's commitment to self-improvement leads to a fulfilling life, where every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Closing. Stoic wisdom offers more than philosophical musings. It provides a roadmap for living a life of depth, purpose, and resilience. By mastering these 7 lessons, you're not just learning how to navigate life's challenges. You're learning how to live fully, with intention and strength, before it's too late. Embrace these teachings, and let them guide you to a life of enduring fulfillment. Thanks for watching, and see you at the top.